Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nina. I love home decor and style, all things on the exterior, all things on the exterior, style related. So I wanted to do a re-up of a lot of the basics that I've had in my closets. The last basics haul that I did was 4 years ago. It was an ASOS bodysuit basics haul, and I still wear my bodysuits a lot, specifically the ones from ASOS. A few of them, the threading has come out a little bit, so I just wanted to re-up my little supply of basics. And I want to warn you before I start the video, a lot of this stuff is sleeveless, and it's mainly because I intend on wearing it under cardigans, like longline cardigans like this. I intend on, like, you know, I have like a look in my mind, but in order to get that look, I knew I needed like a better quality. Like the ASOS bodysuits were great, but I wanted like a thicker, nice texture, like a luxury type of smooth feel looking kind of bodysuits and kind of basics. So that's kind of what I did at ASOS. Zara. That's what I did at Zara this time. I got a bunch of pieces with those kind of materials and silk feel, smooth, very close to the body contour type of deal. So let me just jump right into it and I'll stop talking. So the first thing that I got is this nude bodysuit, and it's just a plain, simple bodysuit. I love that it was kind of square neck. Straps are super minimal. Hugs in like all the right places. No idea what that is. But yeah, hugs in all the right places. I like it. It fits just right. Exactly the way I wanted it to look. These were $19.90 each. I got this color and I also got it in black, of course. I had to get several colors because I felt like once I'm shopping for this stuff, I just need to knock out all the colors at once. So I got this color, black. I wanted to get it. It had like an ivory color and then a pewter color. They didn't have my size. So I'll probably order those online. But this one I love. Then here it is in black. Same thing. Simple design. I love the square neck. Really snug, fits the body, has a nice smooth feel and look to it. It is double lined as well, so you don't have to wear a bra with it. That's the biggest thing for me with bodysuits, is finding bras and undergarments that don't show, and then if you don't wear them, they don't show your underparts. So this one is double lined. It's a very thicker material and thicker quality. So for $19.90, I thought it was a pretty decent value. The next one is just this tank top, and it looks like this. So it's not a bodysuit, it's just a tank top. But I love that it's also double lined and has thicker straps. So like the bodysuit, square neck, but almost a rounded square neck, very elegant. I feel like it just kind of dips around negligee area, really nice. I like that it has thicker straps, so you can wear a bra with it and hide it. Now this one is double lined, just like the bodysuit. However, I did notice that without a bra, I can see my parts underneath, which is weird because it's thicker and it's two materials on top of each other, but I can see the outline. I can see the actual, just like the imprint, I guess I should say. So I am wearing a bra with this one, but because it's thicker, it is easier to hide the bra, so it looks a little bit more contoured and silhouette-like. So yeah, I love this one. I've already worn this one 3 times, and I bought this a few weeks ago. But I've already worn it 3 times, and it's the most comfortable top that I own right now. So I'm a little bit obsessed. I'm trying to find it in other colors. I bought it in 2 other colors. Actually, I bought it in this ivory color, and then I also got it in this rose pink color. So I'll try both of them on so you can see the colors, how they look on. So this one is the ivory one that I got, just like the last one. Same square neck design with the thicker straps. This is in the ivory / white color. And I like this color too just because it's white. It goes with everything. It's very easy to wear and love the fit. Very comfortable. These I love for Longline Cardigans. I got a bunch of Longline Cardigans from Misguided, and I love these for layering underneath. Just looks so simple, so classic. And just the feel of it, like I feel so comfortable. That's my biggest thing with fashion and clothes is like comfort. I want things that feel good against my skin, things that feel effortless but actually look stylish and chic and just classic. So these little undergarments mean so much, like these small tops and stuff, they go such a long way. And these cardigans, I got it Misguided. I'll link these below as well. I got 3 of them. I needed to re-up because I had one long line cardigan actually from Misguided before, but I got it maybe 3 or 4 years ago. So I kind of needed to update, get like a newer, fresher looking one, and I needed more colors. So I got this color. I also got it in black, and they come with like a belt, but I didn't put my belt on mine. I put the belt on the other one, but I love it with or without it. I just think it's so cute. And these were only, I want to say 28. They were on sale for like $28 or $27. So I got 3. Like, girl, what? And then I got this kind of cream color, oatmeal color. I don't know what it's called. But I really, really love this one. I think the brownish one is my favorite one, the rust color one, and this one's number 2. But I really like this one I'd wear with like a lighter wash jean probably, but I think it still looks really good. And then here's a little belt that comes with it, so you can loop the belt around the back or tie it if you desire. I don't desire. And then here is the dusty rose-colored one that I was telling you about. Same, just like the last one, same design, wide straps, and then the T-neck, square neck. What am I saying? So yeah, I just love this color. I don't know why every time I see this color, I'm drawn to it. This is like my favorite lip color, my nail color, like everything this color. It's like my favorite little color family. So got this one and I love it. And again, these are $19.90 each. And I'm going to try to find this one. I think, what did I get? Black? No. I got pewter, cream, and this color. So I'm hunting it in black. It's sold out in my size. So if I do go back to a Zara, I'd love to find it in black and other colors because it's really comfortable. I've worn it several times. The other one I told you I've worn a bunch of times, and it's so comfortable. Like, I love it so much. Then I got a bunch of camis. Now these are just plain, simple, ordinary camis. I needed to re-up my cami game because the last set of camis I had were from Forever 21 for like $4. And they're cotton, so they catch a lot of lint, they beat up. They just don't possess that quality look and feel that I'm going for. So I needed to re-up even my cami game. So something as simple as a cami, whether you decide to wear a cami, a cardigan, or something with an open front, jacket, whatever the case may be, you want the cami to be of quality, like a nice quality material. And this is a thicker material cami. It's not really thick, but it's thicker than the camis that I'm used to. These were $9 a pop, so of course I got 4 of them. I got this color, I got a nude color and a black. So here's this color here, it's like a pewter, simple plain cami. This is the nude one. This is the nude one, just like the last one, plain simple cami, upgraded version of the ones that I had before. And then this is the black one, just a simple plain cami. I just like that it's quality and it fits well. That's one thing about camis, like a lot of them, they just have like a lot of give. They don't snug and contour the body and really just, fall against your skin nicely and softly. I like that these do that. The texture is very nice. Gives you a little bit of slight hold, not a lot, just a little. That's what I want. And it feels good, like it doesn't feel like something's on. Some of your clothes, like you wear them and you feel like you're in clothes, you're wearing clothes. I like it to feel like nothing is there or barely there. And so this definitely has that feeling. And then the next thing is this long sleeve crop top. Now, I got this because one, I loved how it looked on the hanger. I'm all about a square neck right now. I don't know why, but I'm drawn to square necks. Now, when I first saw this, if you guys shop in store, you cannot try anything on. So you kind of have to visualize and just use your imagination like you would online, which is why I personally recommend shopping online. I wouldn't even go to a store. I'm personally not trying to go to another Zara store or just any store in general for shopping when it comes to clothing, because you're dealing with a lot more. Waiting in lines, not being able to try stuff on, like it's just not worth it. You might as well try. Just do it at home, you know? So when I tried this on at home, I was just like, oh my God, what bra am I going to wear with this? How am I going to wear it? I told my sister, I was like, I don't know about this one but all I did was slid the bra straps to the side and instantly it became a favorite. Like, I love it. I was tempted to get it in other colors, but this was the only color in my size, and I got this in a size small. All of the items that I showed you today, I've got them all in a small, no mediums, no extra small, everything I got in an actual small. But this was the only one they had in my size. They do have other colors that have it in black and they have it in pewter. I might need to just stop, where I'm at, just because when things are trendy and you get too many colors, you're out of the trend. When the trend is out, you're just out of like that many more pieces. So I might stop here, but I really do love this top and I'll probably wear it a lot this winter. So the next thing that I got isn't quite a basic, but I love the color and I loved the detail, like the pearl. So it has little pearls running down the sleeves, or right down the straps, on both sides. And then it has like a little jacket that goes with like a little kind of bolero or whatever you want to call this, a little top. I thought this was so cute. It has the pearls also going down the sides of the sleeves and in the front. I love this because I like it the way it is, like without the top. It's such a cute little top, like, yes. And then this little cardigan, small cardigan that goes over it. That's what it is, girl. Cardigan, not bolero. What you talking about? Yeah, like that's just, to me, that is so cute. Like, I love that. Right? And then you can also button it up. It has 3 little buttons in the front. So you can wear it like as a full piece together, or you can wear the cardigan as a long sleeve shirt by itself. And so here's what it looks like buttoned up. Still really cute. And then this is what it would look like if you wore the cardigan just as a top without the other piece underneath. I just feel like it was a win in both ways, like really cute. Only thing is, it's 2 separate pieces. It's not a set. So the cardigan is $29. I don't know why. That's like a lot for just a little tiny cardigan, but it's $29. And then this top is $15.90. But I still felt like it was cute. It was nice. I like the quality. The material was thick. It actually feels warm. Like I feel like I would be warm if I wore this. It's not just like a really thin piece of cloth. So not bad. Okay, so then the next thing, I don't even know what that is. The next thing I got is this chocolate ensemble. This is from the Contour collection. Good thing to note about the Contour collection. One first, back that thing up like juvenile. When I tried this on, I was like, oh. I said, oh, because she's very like you're practically naked. Like that's why it's called the Contour collection. So I've already decided how I'll be wearing mine. I can wear this with I can wear it with a denim jacket, dress down with some sneakers. Perfect. I can also wear it with Longline Cardigan. This is why I got these, because I'm telling you right now, these things go with everything. So I figured I can do one of these numbers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I'm going to get my life together. So see you next time. Thanks again for watching.